Medical related acronyms: MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. AIDS, AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. TB, Tuberculosis. WBC, White Blood Cell. RBC, Red Blood Cell. DNA, Deoxyribonucleic Acid. HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. UTI, Urinary Tract Infection. CPR, Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. RIP, let me know in your comment. Here are some bank-related abbreviations. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. BC, Branch Code. CA, Current Account. SA, Saving Account. CR, Credit. DR, Debit. AMT, Amount. A/C, Account. CHQ, Check. BAL, Balance. Education-related abbreviation: BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BEd, Bachelor of Education. BTech, Bachelor of Technology. BA, Bachelor of Arts. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. ITI, Industrial Training Institute. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. PG, Post-Graduation. NIT, National Institute of Technology. MD, Doctor of Medicine. Here are some full forms related to the government. IAS, Indian Administrative Service. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. IPS, Indian Police Services. MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. MP, Member of Parliament.